What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to English 101 for the winter intersession, the very beginning of 2022. I'm your instructor, Mr. Justin Mott, and I'm looking forward to going on this journey with you. The first thing that I want to say about a winter intersession is that we are smashing 16 weeks into 6 weeks, which means things are going to come at you fast and furious. I assume you're probably relatively aware of that already, being that you're taking a winter class, but I just want to make it clear to you that we're going to do a lot. I don't like to dumb down my classes just because they're 6 weeks, because I feel like that does you all a disservice. And my main goal is always to help you grow as readers, writers, and critical thinkers, and to prepare you to do really well, not only in this class, but in all of the classes that you have to take over the course of your college career. So, there's going to be a lot. When you look at the textbook, and there will be videos here in Canvas that will, talk about how to use the textbook and things like that. But when you see some of what I'm going to show you there, it's going to look like even more than it actually is, but that'll be explained in that particular video. So don't freak out. Trust me, the amount of work I'm giving you is definitely doable, and obviously it wouldn't be that much if it was a regular length semester, but it is not. It is a 6-week semester, so everything's going to be jammed in. I think we can still have a lot of fun, though. I want to tell you a little bit about my teaching philosophy. Basically, the way I look at teaching is that I am truly here for you all as students. I'm not here for me. I'm here for you. So I design my classes and I approach my job with that as the main focus, helping you all succeed. If it was up to me, everybody would succeed. And I try to set things up so that it's very easy for you to succeed. I've had a lot of students tell me that my classes are easy, and for a while that used to bother me a little bit, but I got down to it with them and found out that basically what they meant, which it was what I was trying to do, which is my students feel challenged by the material I provide and the various things that I ask you all to do. My students feel like they grow and learn a lot, but I make it easy for all that to happen. It feels easy while you're doing it for the most part. Now, again, in a 6-week course, it might not feel quite as easy because we're doing everything at a little more than 2 times the speed, but I'm always trying to do my best to do my part to help you all succeed. And honestly, it's very difficult to not do well in my classes if you bring the effort. If you put in the effort, if you do what I'm asking you to do, and you do it to the best of your ability, and you put in the effort, you're going to do well in my class, and you're going to get a lot out of my class. That is something I can promise you. And along those lines, I don't want you to think so much about what the grade is that you're going to get at the end of the class, because that's kind of limiting to you. If you're okay with getting a C, or you feel like you don't do well in English, so if you got a B, you'd be happy, so that's what you're focused on. Or if you're somebody who's focused on getting an A, I appreciate that those letters on a piece of paper or somebody's computer screen mean a lot to you. I was a student once too. But going into a class with that as your main focus is doing yourself a bit of a disservice. Instead, I would like you to come to the class with the mindset of Mr. Mott, Justin, JT, however you want to think of me in your head, has picked out these readings from the textbook, from a textbook that he picked out specifically for this class. He picked out these particular assignments. He's got a reason. There's a method to his madness. He knows that if I do these and I do these well and I take them seriously and put in the effort, that I'm going to grow as a reader, writer, and or critical thinker. And I'm going to be set up well for any other class that I have to take over the course of my college career. So when I approach each reading or each assignment, I'm going to give it the best effort that I can give on that particular day and time. I do hope that you all are willing to put in that effort, because like I said, if you do, you're going to do well in my class, but you're also going to get a lot out of my class. It's not one of those situations where it's a breeze, where you can just fly through and not do much and not pay much attention to what's going on. But it is a class that is set up for you to succeed. Because again, I'm here for you. My goal is to help you all do well in college in general, not just in my classes, but in college in general. So hopefully you believe me on that. Hopefully you can put in that effort. I'm going to do my part. You'll see here on Canvas that I have a link through which you can set up Zoom appointments with me if you wanted to have some one-on-one discussion. I've got a lot of helpful materials up there, but also you can always shoot me an email or send me a message through Canvas if you have a question or something you want to discuss with me. I'm happy to hear it. And, I try to be very approachable and be someone that you can, trust and know that I'm truly here for what's best for you. So please use those resources if you need them. And even if you don't, you just want to drop a line to say hi, that's cool too. But I'm looking forward to it. Winter, I'm going to be honest with you, winter intersessions and the summer 8-week sessions and stuff like that, they can be a little tough. They can be a little overwhelming and stressful for you all, for me too, to a certain extent, because I'm trying to help y'all out at super fast speeds and get grading done super quickly while giving you good feedback and all that type of stuff. So it's not unstressful for me, but I know it's very stressful for you all because you've got a lot to do. So I'm aware of that, and I'm not trying to kill you with all the stuff that I'm asking you to do. I cut out things that I didn't think were necessary, but all the stuff that's in there, I think it's important for you to do. So try to give it your all. And I'm here for you. Just want to reiterate that one more time. I look forward to working with you all this winter, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.